Actually had this in her sink for quite some time. Let's see. Yeah, see, it's doing its job. It had just gotten kind of moldy and gross, and she asked if I could get a new one. Normally, I would just take this out, take the hair off, clean it, and put it back in. But at this point, I'm going to clean all of the mold out, and then you literally just shove it in. So I'll show that in just a second. Absolutely obsessed with these Shroom products because they work. They are just designed to trap hair before it goes down the clog. It's so easy to take out. You literally take the rubber stoppers out, remove the hair, throw it away, and you're good to go. Sometimes, every once in a while, a little bit collects down here, and you can just get that out as well, but just shove it back in. And then every once in a while, I will take the mold off and give it a good deep clean, but it's the easiest way to keep my showers and my sinks really, really fresh. Now that it's clean, I just literally take it, shove it in, and let it sit there. It just raises a little bit above the bottom of the sink so that the particles can flow down, but then they get caught at this lower drain section. So you can see here on the one that we're no longer using, it just goes right in there, collects all the hair and the mold and everything else, and it works. So if you're on the fence, I wouldn't be. Thanks to the seller for sending these over. I hope this helped.